Hello dear friend, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope all of you fine. If you are come first on our YouTube channel, so subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more videos and more updates. In this tutorial, I learn about the Adobe Photoshop photo editing and Adobe Photoshop video editing, graphic designing, more other and different things of editing like tools, layers, shapes, color grading and more other and different things of editing. So friend, first of all, I draw the shape. This is a custom shape and I try to more the other shape like triangle shape, petal shape, circle shape and more other and different things of shapes. So friends, in this channel you provided trending videos, daily viral videos, daily random videos and more other videos. So friend, first of all I draw the shape. This is a custom shape and I try to more other and apply to more other shapes. So friends, I request to you subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon